Welcome to the Industry 4, fourth to forthcoming Industrial Revolution. TI4 Tech Talk, an initiative by the Industry 4, a contribution towards industry and society. Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Kaushik representing the Industry 4, and today we are going to discuss what is digital transformation. Let's have a look on the topics we are going to discuss. Let's start our discussion with a question. And our question is, what is the first thing come to your mind about the word digital transformation? Automation and efficiency, market growth, competitive advantage, customer experience, go-to-market strategy, business model, technology landscape, paradigm shift, creative distraction, disruptive innovation, or just a hype. And these terms are going to help us to brainstorm and to interrogate our imagination about the word digital transformation. Digital transformation, it's about digital and it starts with 0 and 1. In context to digital transformation, we often heard about the words digitization and digitalization. Though these words sound similar, but their meanings are completely different. Let's move on to explore further. If we talk about the progression path of digital transformation journey, then digitization is the first milestone of this journey. Digitization is simply a process of analog to digital conversion. So our first milestone is to digitize the analog or physical information in digital format, that is in terms of 0 and 1. Next step is the digitalization, which is simply the implementation of digitization in our business processes. So we can see that digitization is the enabler of digitalization, and digitalization is highly dependent on digitization. Now coming to the step digital transformation, which is to completely transform our business model. Digital transformation, it's about bringing a holistic change in our business by the implementation of digitalization. It's about a new paradigm shift for the way we build our business, the way we operate our business, the way we produce a product, the way we deliver a service, the way we communicate and collaborate, the way we create a customer experience. It's about the way forward to add value and enable change. It's about the agility and continuous transformation. If we see the digital transformation in a step-by-step approach, then it's simply a step-by-step process from digitization through digitalization to digital transformation. In fact, digitization, digitalization and digital transformation are the three amigo, or we can say partners, who move together with each other. Let's focus on digitalization versus digital transformation. Whereas digitalization builds a digitally enhanced business with outcomes, improved product and services and better customer experience. On the other hand, digital transformation builds a digitally transformed business with outcome, new business model and new product and services. We see the digital transformation in a holistic view, then it's a combination of technology transformation, process transformation and business transformation. Now let's observe few case in point of digital transformation in various industries ranging from education, manufacturing, service environment, article of trade, transportation and many more. Now let's review the points we have discussed. Thanks for your time on watching this presentation. Your feedback and suggestions are always welcome to us.